Starting around the 23rd of May 2023, Velo in a real sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.05% in certainly most recent 60-minute, or so they generally thought. Velo has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $12,362,123 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,003,125, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This certainly makes Velo truly positioning at 739 in the cryptographic money market, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo generally be certainly worth in 2023 in an exceptionally enormous manner? Is Velo an especially wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will Velo cost really outperform its unsurpassed high, which basically is genuinely huge? These especially are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Velo value expectation 2023 as per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Velo value sort of is supposed to especially cross a by and large normal value level of $0. The normal genuinely least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to generally be $0, a genuinely significant manner. Besides, Velo can in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value gauge May 2023. The Velo value for May 2023 may arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0. The most extreme gauge cost truly is around $0, a kind of enormous manner. The very normal cost for Velo in every way that really matters is most certainly anticipated to especially reach $0 May 2023 in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Velo value estimate June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Velo essentially is supposed to fundamentally arrive at the very least value worth of $0 in unpretentious manner. The Velo cost could explicitly arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $0, the kind of typical cost around $0. Certainly further appearance how the Velo cost could basically arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0, the especially normal cost around $0. Velo value expectation July 2023. The cost for Velo in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, a genuinely enormous manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to truly be around $0 in unpretentious manner. Velo value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for Velo could sort of stretch around $0, exhibiting that starting around the 23rd of May 2023, Velo generally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.05% in kind of most recent 60 minutes. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in August 2023 basically is $0 in every practical sense. Normal cost of $0, which is very huge. Velo value gauge September 2023. The normal cost of Velo could go to $0 the finish of September 2023, which certainly is very critical. Velo could for the most part be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $0, the in every way that really matters, least expected cost of $0, which for the most part is very huge. Velo value estimate October 2023. The Velo figure for October 2023 expects that the Velo may sort of arrive at a very greatest worth of $0 in every practical sense. Least cost of around $0. Discussing the very normal value Velo can generally stretch around $0 October, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Velo value figure November 2023. The Velo cost for November 2023 may essentially arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0. The very greatest determined cost generally is around $0 in especially huge manner. The typical cost for Velo essentially is somewhat anticipated to sort of reach $0 November 2023 in a truly significant way. Velo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Velo basically is gauged to basically be at around a really least worth of $0, which especially is genuinely critical. The Velo value worth can especially arrive at in every practical sense. Limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD in an essentially significant way. Velo essentially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost in a real sense has shown a decent increment of 4.29% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Velo generally is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, which especially is very huge. The Velo is down to nearly 0.19% over the most recent 7 days. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for fundamentally past truly couple of days. The coin could truly have areas of strength for exceptionally in any case. We don't explicitly imagine that it would a beneficial resource and extremely transient in a huge manner. Inside the in every way that really matters. Most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo sort of diminished by 61.264%, dispensing with an incredible truly normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a kind of good in a real sense purchase a potential open door for in every way that really matters. Speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change truly is near 12.88%, and the cost commonly flowed from an essentially least certainly normal cost of $0 in every practical sense. Most extreme truly normal cost of $0, the fundamentally beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. In very most recent 4 months, Velo in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Hence, we generally imagine that comparable pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period in an unobtrusive manner. As per irrefutably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo generally is expanded from 4 months. Further appearance how Velo value estimate October 2023. The Velo gauge for October 2023 expects that the Velo may in a real sense arrive at a really greatest worth of $0, a sort of least cost of around $0 in unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, or so they by and large thought. The coin most certainly is up by 14.00% with the essentially greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $0. The extremely least genuinely normal cost of explicitly was around $0 exceptionally beyond 4 months, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Velo value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will in a real sense be Velo truly worth in 2023, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? The Velo cost essentially is determined to in every practical sense arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0 least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Velo generally have a future? As far as value, Velo in every practical sense has an exceptional by and large potential to especially arrive at new levels, which generally is very huge. It especially is estimate that Velo will increment in esteem in an essentially significant way, as indicated by in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners. Velo can basically raise a ruckus around town much the greatest cost of 55 cents till 2030, which fundamentally is very huge. Is Velo for the most part worth purchasing in 2023? Which in every practical sense is very critical. Velo's worth in a real sense is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general support costs rise. So this unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be an especially decent purchase, a potential open door for especially fast interest in an exceptionally significant manner. Kindly note, there especially is a gamble to any speculation in opposition to prevalent thinking.